What's up, broskis? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Philly. Guys, so I just picked up the new car. I'm so freaking excited. It's a dope ass car. By the title, you guys already know what kind of car it is. I'm excited to show you guys the car. For now, I'm gonna take the car to the storage where I have my 3-car trailer, and we're gonna leave it there for a couple days. But before we get there, I want to thank all of you guys for supporting the channel. This month you guys have been killing it with support, and I thank all of you guys. Broskis, we're almost at 10K subscribers. Yay, let's get it. But anyways, last week we got invited to a photo shoot. I don't know if you guys have heard of Tune in Tokyo. They're basically a shop that sells clothing, and they're pretty big on Instagram. They hit me up and I took the 350Z. I started filming and everything. I started vlogging for you guys. After the day was over, I went home. I tried to edit that video, and you guys won't believe it, but turns out my freaking mic was disconnected, so you couldn't hear anything that I said on that video. So before we get to our storage and show you guys the new car, I'm gonna play a little bit of what went down on that photo shoot. So here's a little montage.
Perfect.
Broski, so what you guys think of that photo shoot? I got you some nice booty pics of my 350Z, of course. But yeah, that shit was cool, no? I hope you guys liked it. We're almost at the storage right now, and I'll show you guys my new car. Guys, drop a like if you guys are excited for my new car. Alright, broski, so here she is, my 2009 Corvette C6. Check it out. Check out the inside. So this car is automatic, and it is a shell. Check it out. There's no engine, no transmission on it. I have the hood right there on the bed. What do you guys think? Something different, huh? This one's a little different, huh? It's not a 240, it's not a 350Z. It's a Corvette. I like the back. 2-3 things that I don't like about the car. 1, it's a convertible. 2, it's automatic. And 3, it's yellow. I don't like yellow, I don't like convertibles, and it's automatic. So with that being said, the plans for this car is to find the original LS3 engine for it and try to find a manual transmission and fully convert it to manual. So that's the plan, and then maybe after we do all that, lower it a little bit, and I don't know, maybe slide it, I don't know, or flip it. I kind of want to flip it, but then again, I kind of want to drive it for a little bit, drift it, and see how this car handles, you know. It's a different car, you know. It's a little more expensive, but I mean, fuck it, I'm down to try it. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? ¿Está chingón o no? Sí or no? But yeah, everything's missing. The diff is missing. The conversion tube, I don't know what they call it. The torque tube, it's missing. And full swap, it's missing. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys. It's missing some of the fuse boxes. The brake shit right here that goes here. Radiator. This fan is right there. But yeah, it's missing a lot of stuff. Guys, I got this car so freaking cheap that I couldn't give it up, you know. I couldn't pass it up. So here she is. We own a Corvette C6 now. But yeah. So yeah, for now I'm gonna leave it here in my storage. My 3-car trailer is over there. I'm gonna leave it there for a while. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to look for a full swap. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find a manual one and then try to convert it to manual so we can take it to the track and have some fun with it. But I'm gonna try to do this one quick. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully we do this shit like really quick, like in a month or less. But yeah, she's right here. After we do all the swapping on that shit. Need some cleaning right here on the headlights. What else? I don't like these covers. These are some covers. I don't know. Christian was telling me that these come with they come from factory like that with the covers. I don't like them. I'll probably take them off. I took the other one off. Check it out in the rear. And then I like the tail lights. I like the back. I like that ass. Check it out. I took off the cover on the front wheel, and I think I like it better like that. I don't like those ugly covers. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know if you guys are excited. I'm excited for this car because it's different, you know. So, whoo, new car. Who this? It's done. All right, I'm gonna drop it off and then we'll leave it right there. Here's how she looks with the hood on. She looks pretty sexy, no? Guys, drop a like if you guys like it. Alright broskies, I'm gonna end the video right here. Again, thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been giving me on the channel. And like I said, let's share my channel so we can get to 10K subs by the end of the month or by the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you guys. Denme un beso. Alright guys, until next time.